Hello, little readers! Today we are going to make fun sentences. These two magic words help us read and speak. Let's use them to make sentences together. Are you ready? Let's try. Let's read together. Heads! Let's make more together. Read.
I can jump. I can eat. I can dance. I can draw. I can jump. I can eat. I can dance. I can draw.
I can jump! Watch me! I can eat yummy food! Let's dance together! I can dance! Spin around and move your feet. Dancing is so fun! Let's dance together! I can dance! Spin around and move your feet. Dancing is so fun! I can draw a happy face. I can draw a happy face. I can run fast. I can ride fast. Whee! Show how the kids ride. Whee! I can sing. La la, sing with me. I can sing. La la, sing with me. Up, up I go. Up, up I go. I can swim. Splash, splash. Splash, splash. That's funny. That's funny. I can share. Sharing is kind. Show how the kids ride. Whee! I have an idea. I have an idea. I can help. I like helping. Clap with me. Kick the ball. I can spin. Hop like a bunny. Hugs feel nice. Hugs feel nice. Hugs feel nice. I can write my name. Build something big. Build something big. Let's paint. One, two, three. I love my friends. I can jump. I can run. I can play and have fun. I'm me. Yes, I can. Can you jump? I can read. I can write. Learning every day is bright.